Hey everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2023 Volvo XC60 V5 Plus. With just under 55,000 miles, this Volvo XC60 is equipped with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It is all-wheel drive and it also has a Clean Car Fax with one previous owner. In the front, you will find this Volvo well equipped with high-intensity headlights, LED daytime running lights. You will also have front proximity sensors and fog lights integrated into the lower bumper. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a 19-inch machined bicolor alloy wheel wrapped up in a like new tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like side cameras, and you'll also have turn signal indicators integrated right into your mirror cap. And on the reverse side, you will have a blind spot monitor, followed up with passive door entry and a dual pane panoramic sunroof. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black on black theme here with touches of chrome, faux wood grain, and high gloss material. And as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this SUV. Once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these heated front seats and leather upholstery. And you will also have power adjustments on both the passenger and the driver's side. Located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report. Here you can see all the tires are 10/32 all the way around, along with the brake pads, and everything else is green, checked off by our technicians. And we do that so you don't have to put any money into the wearable shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Looking into the back seat, did want to mention these seats are also heated, so that's a nice feature for your rear passengers, and they will have plenty of space. A little bit of storage here on the back of the seats and in the center console with a 12-volt outlet. You will also have a fold-down cup holder and armrest, as you can see. Making our way to the rear of this Volvo, you will notice your bright LED taillights, high-definition rear camera, and your rear proximity sensors. And on this particular XC60, it is equipped with a powered liftgate assist with plenty of space back here in the cargo area. But if you do need more, those seats will fold flat on an 80-20 split. And below here, you will have your full-size spare tire with your jack and accessories. Making our way to the driver door, you'll notice all your powered options up top. You will notice you do have memory seating here on the driver's side. You can set up to 2 profiles, powered door locks, and down below you'll have child safety locks followed up with powered windows and power adjustable mirrors. Upon startup, you can see just under 55,000 miles here on this Volvo. And as far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, to the left you'll have options for your cruise control. And it looks like we have some adaptive cruise control options here as well. And to the right you'll have a selector for that center screen, some menu options here, and you do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And that does include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Let me go ahead and engage the rear camera. As you can see, crystal clear display with your guidance lines as well. Down below you can see you have access to some of your comfort features here, just like your heated seats and your heated steering wheel. And as far as audio is concerned, you'll have your standard AM, FM, XM radio. And as you can see, you can download all kinds of your favorite apps, including Google Maps and YouTube. Messages pop right up here. Also, you will have access to your Play Store and Google Assistant. So a really neat interface here in the Volvo XC60. Down below you have some hard buttons for your radio and your defrosters here with your seat options and your 4-ways. You'll have a nice hideaway storage here with your faux wood grain trim, high gloss black surrounding the center here with your nice leather wrapped unique Volvo shifter. Of course, your push button start, which is more like a switch here, just goes to the right to start and stop. You will have your electronic parking brake and your auto start and stop here, or your auto hold rather. And as you can see, you will have a nice deep storage console with USB outlets. And bringing our attention up top, you will have a frameless rear view mirror with your integrated garage door openers. And right here you'll have your controls for your panoramic sunroof with your bright LED map lights. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will find a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. As you can see, super clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew always does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this Volvo has received a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. Now I did take a picture of this, but I forgot to mention when I was going over the features in the front. You will notice this XC60 is also equipped with a front camera, so you have 360 cameras all the way around, front, rear, and side. So guys, in the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Volvo. So this is the bright theme here from Volvo, nice light silver color. And on the front of the hood, pretty clean. You will have some small cosmetic blemishes. Your grill insert here is in great shape. Your headlights are nice and clear. You will have some scuffs and scratches here, as you can see. But as you can see, your LED tail lights shine right through there, so nice and clear. A little bit of wear and tear here in the front, but overall pretty good shape. Largest issues being right here, some stone chips on the passenger side. Coming around the wheel and tire setup, no curb rash on that nice alloy wheel, all the way up to your paint match mirror caps. Some minor cosmetic blemishes, otherwise very clean. You will have some small scuffs and scratches, some paint chips around the passenger side door handle, and your high gloss black portions on the outer door. You will have some scuffing. Here, the passenger side door card, nice and clean, no rips, stains, or tears. And then no odors, super important here at All Things Automotive, no smoke odors in this Volvo. Leather seats are in great condition. Again, no rips, stains, tears, or anything like that. And then your trim pieces around your dash are in great shape. Coming around to the back seat here, nice clean carpets. Looks like we have some scuffs on the backing of the seats. Looks like that's a pretty deep gouge right there and there. So I did want to let you guys know about that. But your leather seats are in great condition and your headliner's nice and clean. No discoloration or stains. Tail lights are nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation, along with your chrome badging. All the way down to your rear bumper here, you are going to have some scuffs and scratches, and you're going to have some scuffs on this brushed aluminum plate just below your lift gate. As you can see, just some minor cosmetic blemishes here on the back. Taking a look under the lift gate, nice and clean back here. Looks like we have a scuff on that hard backing of the seat where it folds down. And then looking at the back of the lift gate, you will have some scuffs and scratches and imperfections. Coming up the driver's side, no dents or dings in the vehicle body. We like to take care of those before we list these vehicles. And guys, this is a very helpful resource for those of you who are shopping from further away. We appreciate you shopping with All Things Automotive, but before you make the trip to the dealership, we want to let you know the cosmetic defects here. Spot here on the driver's side. Looks like we have a gouge here on this plastic high gloss piece here on the rear passenger side door. And then a small scratch there. Guys, if you have any questions on this Volvo, give us a call at All Things Automotive. Call 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7 at allthingsautomotive.com. You can even get yourself pre-approved. It's a super easy process. It only takes about 10 minutes of your time. And guys, make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because this Volvo will qualify. So we hope to see you at 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.